Hi guys, I'm Chanu. Welcome back. As you see, today's lesson is about object marker particle 을. Well, it's not that difficult like 은는이가 particle. Okay, so let's check it out. What's the 을 particle? Okay, let's move on. Object marker particle 을. As you know, the definition in an English dictionary, object is a noun or pronoun representing the person or thing that something is done to. For example, the house. In, we built the house. Okay? Built what? Built what? The house. Okay? The house. Alright? And we is subject. Subject, 주어. And built, verb, 동사. The house, object, 목적어. 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 Okay. So we built their house. We built their house. Right? When you say the sentence, 우리 we 우리 built 지었어요. The house 그 집. Okay? So 우리 is subject, right? And the main issue, right? Who built the house? Who built? We 우리. So when the subject particle, okay? Particle what? 가. 우리가 지었어요. 그 집을. The house is object, so 을 particle is needed. Okay? Then when you should use the 을 particle, the word 그 집 the word 집 ends with consonant 비읍 받침 비읍, so we have to use 을 particle. Okay? 집 consonant 비읍. Okay, that's why particle 을 is needed. Alright? And in general, Korean word order is subject and object and verb. Alright? So, finally, we built the house. 우리가 그 집을 지었어요. Subject, object, and verb. Okay? Subject and object and verb. It's Korean order. Right? 우리가 그 집을 지었어요. 우리가 그 집을 지었어요. Right? It's a formal. And 우리가 그 집을 지었어 is informal. Okay? Now, let's take a look at next example. Alright, the sentence, I like kimchi. You know kimchi, right? Korean food, kimchi. I like kimchi. I is 저. Like 좋아해요. And 김치. Kimchi is object, okay? So we need particle 를. Okay? So when to use particle 를? As you see, the word 치 here, 치 ends with vowel e. So in this case, you may use particle 를. Okay? And 저 is subject, alright? So we need particle. Subject marking particle what? 저는 김치를 좋아해요. 저는 김치를 좋아해요. Okay? And now you know why the subject marking particle 는 is needed here, right? Is a perspective. Third person perspective. Okay? Right? Alright, so subject, object, and verb. 저는 김치를 좋아해요. I like kimchi. 저는 김치를 좋아해요. Okay, and 저는 is contraction 전. 나는 난. Contraction. Shorten the form 난. Okay, so 전 김치를 좋아해요. Formal. And 난 김치를 좋아해. Informal. Okay? Alright, so formal sentence. 우리가 그 집을 지었어요. 우리가 그 집을 지었어. 전 김치를 좋아해요. 난 김치를 좋아해. Okay? But Korean people, right? They say these sentences without the particles. Okay, like 우리가 그 집 지었어요. 우리가 그 집 지었어. 전 김치 좋아해요. 난 김치 좋아해. Like this. Okay? It's okay. It's more natural. Alright? So I mean 8 out of 10 people in Korea, they say like this in a daily conversation. Like this. Without the particle 을. Okay? Alright. And how can I know? I mean, when do I have to use the object particle 을? The answer is to read an article, books, and journal as much as you could. Okay? In writing or formal speech. Okay? That's the answer. Alright? Okay, how about today's lesson? The Korean object marking particle 을. It's easy, right? Okay, so that's all for today. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like button. Alright? And thank you for watching. Alright, see you next time. Alright? Okay, bye.